Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's look at this problem right here. Here this question is asking, the table below shows the rabbit population on a certain island where t is the number of years beginning with the year 2000. A part is asking, determine the relative growth rate. B part is asking, write a general equation for the population. And the C part is asking, estimate the population in 2010. And D part is, how many years will it take for the population to double. Now let's look at the A part. A part is asking, determine the relative growth rate, that is K. And first we have to know this equation, that is P of t is equal to P naught e power kt. Now to calculate K, we have to know P naught first. Initial year is 2000. So we know that at P naught, we have the population that is 1500. P of 0 is 1500. And if we apply this one in this equation, P of 0 is equal to P naught e power k. We are looking at the time 0, so time is 0 right here. And P of 0, we know that that is equal to 1500. And P naught e power k times 0, that's going to be just 0. And from this one, we know that P naught is equal to 1500. And also we have to know that P of 0 is always going to be P naught. Okay. So this is what we know, and P naught is 1500. Now using that one, we can calculate this K. To calculate K, first we can take a time 1 because we want to keep this e power kt without losing it. So we put P of 1, and then here we have P naught. P naught we calculated, that is 1500, and e power kt. K times time is 1. Okay. Now let's see how we can find this P1. To find this P1, we have that one given right here. Okay, this is 0, this is 1, so we have the information here. 1577, that is equal to 1500 e power k. Now from this one we know that e power k is equal to 1577 divided by 1500, and that is equivalent to 1.0513. Okay, now we have to get rid of this e because we are trying to calculate k. That's the first part, relative growth rate, that's k. So in order to get rid of this e, we have to take ln both sides. So if I take ln both sides, ln e power k, and then that is equivalent to 1.0513. Ln e power k can be written as k times, we can bring it to the front, k times ln of e is ln of 1.0513. Ln of e is just 1, so this is going to be just k right here. And ln of 1.053, that is equivalent to, let me calculate that one. Ln of 1.053, that's 0.05. So we derived k is equal to 0.05. That's the first question. So we have done this part. The second part is asking, write the general equation for the population P of t. So we have k and we have P naught, so we can write the general equation. So this is A part. B part is going to be general equation, that is just P of t is equal to 1500, that's P naught, times e power, we know that k is 0.05 t. So this is the general equation for the population. We can calculate the population at any time if the time is given. Now the third part is estimate the population in 2010. So we are starting from 2000. 2010 mean time is 10. Okay. So C part, P of 10. We are trying to find P of 10. P of 10 is 1500 e power 0.05 times 10. And if you calculate this one, you're going to get 2473. So this is P of 10. Now the next part is, how many years will it take for the population to double? Okay, let's get rid of this one. So how many years it will take the population to double? Initially we are starting with 1500. If we double this one, that's going to be 3000. Okay, so we want to know how many years it's going to take this one to become 3000. So we apply that one in this equation. So let's grab this equation right here. Instead of P of t, I put 3000 equal to 1500 e power 0.05 t. Here t is the question. So if I bring this 3000, if I divide 3000 by 1500, that's going to be just 2. 2 is equal to e power 0.05t. We just have to take ln both sides. Ln of 2 is equal to ln of e power 0.05t. As we seen before, we can move this power to the front. In that way, we will get ln of 2 is equal to 0.05t times ln of e. Ln of e is equal to 1. So this is going to remain. Now let's continue this one. Okay, let's continue here. Let's use a different color. So ln of 2, 0.05t is equal to ln of 2. Okay, ln of 2. Therefore t, okay, let's write this one. Ln of 2. Therefore t is equal to ln of 2 divided by 0.05. Therefore t will give us 13.86 years. Approximately we can say 14 years. So this is the answer for the D part. 14 years is the answer for the D part. And that's how we do that. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. And if you are trying to learn differential equation, growth and decay in differential equation, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch the too. And also there are a bunch of videos in differential equations also there. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.